ជាអតីតសិស្ស fintech នៅ TGI ហើយរាល់ថ្ងៃខ្ញុំជាសិស្សនិស្សិតឆ្នាំទី3នៅ Paragon ផ្នែក Computer Science ហើយក៏រាល់ថ្ងៃក៏សប្តាហ៍ថ្ងៃក៏ធ្វើការដែរខ្ញុំគិតថាសម្រាប់ workshop នេះអាចបរៀនខ្ញុំបានច្រើនតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង blockchain introduction to blockchain ហើយអាចបរៀនខ្ញុំក្នុងការបង្កើតនៅ simple smart contract មួយជាមួយនឹង front end ដើម្បី integrate ជាមួយនឹង smart contract ហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងបាទហើយមួយវិញទៀតខ្ញុំបានឃើញថាគាត់បានមកពី Malaysia ហើយគាត់ក៏បាននាំយកនៅ protocol មួយដែលឈ្មោះ ICP ហ្នឹងយកមកបរៀនដល់សិស្សខ្មែរយើងដើម្បីអាចប្រើប្រាស់នៅ blockchain ឲ្យវាកាន់តែ more user friendly way ជាចុងបញ្ចប់ខ្ញុំគិតថាខ្ញុំអាចរៀនបានច្រើនតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង blockchain ហ្នឹងហើយខ្ញុំក៏សង្ឃឹមថាខ្ញុំអាចយកនៅ knowledge ដែលបានរៀនថ្ងៃហ្នឹងទៅបង្កើតជា use case ផ្សេងៗដើម្បីជួយទៅដល់ society ក៏ដូចជាបង្កើតនៅ application ផ្សេងៗសម្រាប់ឲ្យគ្នាយើងប្រើហ្នឹងដែរប្រើប្រាស់ blockchain អញ្ចឹង
សួស្តីអ្នកនរគ្នាខ្ញុំឈ្មោះឈឿនម៉ាច់ខ្ញុំជាសិស្សឆ្នាំទី4ឆ្នាំទី2នៅសាលា AC ដែរសម្រាប់ការដែលខ្ញុំចូលរួម workshop នៅ blockchain ITC ហ្នឹងវាអាចជួយខ្ញុំស្គាល់នេះគ្រាន់តែជាបច្ចេកវិទ្យាថ្មីសម្រាប់ការ hosting យ៉ាងនិយាយ web hosting web server ប៉ុន្តែគ្រាន់តែគេ hosting បែបរបៀបគេលេង hosting នៅលើ cloud គេចង់ hosting មកនៅលើ ITC development នេះវិញអញ្ចឹងគាត់ថាបើសិនជា developer ឬក៏ IT គាត់ប្រើលើ ITC develop ហ្នឹងបន្ទាប់មកយើងប្រើលើវាហើយយើងព្យាយាមយើងជួយផ្សព្វផ្សាយនេះទៅវិញគាត់ថាថ្ងៃមុខគេអាចប្រើច្រើនដោយសារហ្នឹងវាស្រួលវិញគ្នាមានពាក្យងាយស្រួលទៅលើខាង web developer គ្រាន់តែគាត់ចង់ hosting ជា project small project ឬក៏តាមទីដែលគាត់ចង់ build all in one ក្នុងហ្នឹងគឺវា low.
Yes, I'm Dr. Liew from Malaysia. This is my third time I'm in Cambodia doing my third workshop. Initially, we have done workshop in last, I think July, end of July. We have done workshop at Chemtech and also CADT. We are in Malaysia. We are doing an ICT solution for the government. Like IC, we provide national ID and also national passport, as well as those auto gate when you go through the immigration. We have facial recognitions. All these are done by my company. And now I'm doing actually metaverse for education and also for tourism for data science. But outside my former job, I'm also doing blockchain. So I have been in the blockchain industry for more than 5 years. I have created some token, my own cryptocurrency, and successfully listed on the digital exchange in Korea. Yeah, so off and on I've done many projects. I also write many books, including programming books and also on blockchain, Web3, metaverse, blockchain and cryptocurrency. So I want to contribute the books to TGI. Yes, I found that although Cambodia is still a bit, lacking in the knowledge on blockchain, but you are a very vibrant generation because I know that Cambodia has many young generations. It's a young country and you are willing to learn. That's why I see a lot of potential in Cambodia to develop blockchain because blockchain is one of the latest technology we should explore, especially for the future Web3 development and new internet. For example, you can do Web3 for many applications, not only for cryptocurrency. You can do it for supply chain management, for example, for tracking, authenticate the goods you eat. For example, you eat the salmon, you can scan the QR to know the salmon comes from where. Is it from Australia or from China or from Japan? So this is very useful. So I hope today's workshop we have contributed a lot to TGI and also the student and also the staff. And we are willing to collaborate with TGI for more applications and for more future. Yes, definitely. Gen Z, I think it's very easy to teach, to educate them because already they are playing with games, right? Playing with social media, so they are already in the forefront of. They are very used to all these technology. So it's very easy to teach, to educate them. And nowadays Gen Z, they don't want to work in the office. They want to work in the office. They want to work from home or work at the bar or somewhere. So this blockchain is perfectly suitable for it. You don't have to work in the office. So you can think of even midnight when you sleep, you think of one idea, you can come out and program it. The idea is very important, not just programming skill. The idea is most important. What problem you want to solve is a good starting point. And your government, I think also you have young ministers. They are very dynamic. They are willing to explore new technology, and we are willing to collaborate, especially from ICP perspective. Not afraid of mistakes. You try, because I have been doing programming for the past 30, 40 years. So I met a lot of problems, a lot of issues, but you go and find out how to solve the problem. So through hands-on, you can learn more, not just by reading or advice. So never, it's time to learn fast and accelerate your learning. Don't just go and play around. Or you can play and enjoy, but at the same time, you must learn fast thinking. The world is moving very fast. So youngster, for me, I'm still keep learning from my age. I have written more than 40 books. Yeah, I'm willing to give some books to TGI in the future when I bring more books. Then keep on learning, never stop learning, and never afraid to try things, take risks and all that. That's my advice. Don't always stay in the room, in your house and play games only. Spend some time working on something useful to solve problems for the country, for yourself maybe, to improve your financial situations and all that. That's my advice. That's all. Thank you for the interview. Thank you.